Okay, so we're going to do a room tour for you of the WorldMark Kingstown Reef Resort. We don't normally do room tours for you guys, but this is quite good value, so we thought we'd give you a little look around. So we're in veranda 1406. Okay, this is the entrance hall. Then into the kitchen dining area. You've got your cooker, fridge, freezer, microwave and a dishwasher. Then out from here you have got a balcony. Overlooking the pool. Pop back in. Okay, so off of the kitchen diner, you've got a little hallway. Takes you to your bathroom. So it's a shower over bath. Then this is the double bedroom. Really good size king bed. If we go back out, and then we have a second bedroom. This is a massive room. We've got a separate little seating area in here, and then another bathroom. Again, bath over shower, good size. And this room also has a separate balcony. Again, with a nice view over the pool. We'll come in. So that concludes our room tour for today. Thanks.